How to unclog a drain naturally and prevent clogs over time. Are you tired of dealing with clogged drains? Whether it's in the kitchen or bathroom, slow water flow caused by impurities can be incredibly frustrating. The good news is that you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive chemicals or plumbers to solve this problem. Today, I'm going to show you how to unclog a drain and prevent future clogs using ingredients you probably already have at home. Not only are these ingredients affordable, but they are also eco-friendly. So, buckle up, because by the end of this article, you'll have the knowledge to keep your drains flowing freely and avoid the hassle of clogs forever. The culprits behind clogged drains. Drains naturally accumulate impurities over time. Grease, hair, soap scum, and debris settle and stick to the walls of pipes, creating a layer of buildup. As more impurities gather, the water flow slows down, and before you know it, you have a clogged drain. If left untreated, this buildup can completely block the drain, forcing you to call a plumber, which leads to additional financial stress. But don't worry, by following the steps in this guide, you'll be able to fix and prevent this yourself. Easy ingredients, big impact. You won't need fancy tools or chemicals to unclog your drain. Let's dive into the simple ingredients that you probably have at home that will work wonders in dissolving grease, grime, and other impurities. This remedy is not only effective but also safe for your pipes and the environment. Step 1. Prepare your cleaning solution. The first step to getting your drain flowing again is creating a powerful cleaning mixture. Here's how. Dishwashing detergent. In a small bowl, pour about 100 milliliters of dishwashing detergent. Why dish soap? It has amazing grease-dissolving properties that break down oils and fats sticking to the pipe walls. Salt. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt has abrasive properties that help break down and dissolve accumulated impurities. It's also a natural antiseptic, meaning it can suppress bacteria and reduce unpleasant odors in your pipes. Vinegar. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to breaking down grease, and it also has antimicrobial properties that will help combat bacteria lurking in the drain. Stir the mixture well until it thickens slightly. If the mixture feels too thick, add another 100 milliliters of water to dilute it slightly. This combination of dishwashing detergent, salt, and vinegar creates a powerful solution to dissolve all that grime. Step 2. Baking soda and vinegar magic. Before going to bed, or any time when you're no longer using the sink for the day, grab your trusty baking soda. Here's what to do. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda directly into the drain. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that reacts with vinegar, helping to break down deposits and clean the drain. Now, take the cleaning mixture you prepared earlier and pour it down the drain. As the baking soda reacts with the vinegar in the mixture, it creates a fizzing action that loosens stubborn clogs and dissolves the impurities stuck to the walls of the drain. The best part? The solution works while you sleep. Leave it overnight to allow the mixture to work its magic on those greasy, stubborn clogs. Step 3. Rinse with hot water. The next morning, it's time for the finishing touch. Close the sink drain and fill the basin with hot water. When it's full, release the plug to let the water rush down the drain. The pressure of the hot water will push out all the loosened impurities, flushing them away and leaving you with a clean, clog-free drain. Hot water not only helps to clear out the remaining impurities, but also sanitizes the pipes, ensuring no germs or bacteria remain. Prevention is key. Now that your drain is clean, how do you prevent future clogs? Simple. Repeat this process once a month to keep your drains clean and clog-free. While this method won't work on severe blockages caused by items like large hair clumps or foreign objects, it's a perfect routine for maintaining your drains and preventing grease and debris buildup. By following these steps, you'll never have to deal with a clogged drain again. Why this works? Dishwashing detergent. fights grease and oils in the pipes. Salt acts as an abrasive to remove stubborn debris. Vinegar breaks down impurities and has antimicrobial properties to combat bacteria. Baking soda reacts with vinegar to create fizz that dislodges deposits. Hot water flushes out everything, ensuring your drain remains clear. Conclusion: in just a few simple steps, you can unclog your drain naturally, without resorting to harsh chemicals or expensive plumbers. With just a little bit of dish soap, salt, vinegar, and baking soda, you can save yourself time, money, and stress. Repeat this process monthly, and you'll never have to worry about clogged drains again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share this guide with friends and family, and save them from future plumbing nightmares too. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.